Murah, bang. Hmm.
Hello,
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Miss Ruby. Good evening.
Good luck and happiness to
Wow.
you, New Year.
Thank you, Miss Ruby. Have a nice and New Year and a blissful New Year to you and your family.
Thank you very much.
Okay, how's your New Year? What did you do on your New Year?
Uh, I um I go to traveling my family.
Ah, wow. Is it very far? Far place?
Uh, about two 100 kilometers.
Oh, that's so far. Where did
For,
you go?
uh, I go to beach.
I went to.
I went to beach.
Oh, you went to the beach with your family.
Yes.
Wow, that's good. I heard that um in your New Year, like everyone in Vietnam, like all the people in Vietnam are celebrating and you are watching a very nice fireworks
Um,
at night. Oh, when is that night that you watch firework? What date? February? Is it February or January? January 28th? Like watching the fireworks?
uh, can
Or
you repeat?
do you watch fireworks every night during holiday?
Uh, mm,
Fireworks.
uh, went to went to cafe. Uh, uh,
You went to
go
cafe
hang.
and hang
Uh,
out?
hang out.
Wow, that's good, Miss Ruby. That's good that you are happy and you are enjoying your
Mm.
holiday. Okay. Now let's start our lesson. Are you ready, Miss Ruby?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's start. I will share my screen parallel to you. This is for Miss Ruby's lesson. Okay. Do you know, Miss Ruby, that you said that you travel during your holiday? You went to the beach.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Today, our lesson is all about describing a trip. Okay, a
This
trip,
riding.
a trip.
This a ship.
Mm. Do you know what is trip, Miss Ruby?
Uh, yes.
Ah, yes. What is a trip?
Uh,
Trip is when you
uh, ship travel.
travel. Correct.
Travel.
Yes, yes, that's correct.
Uh, ship.
A trip is when you travel and ride a bus or airplane or it could be a ship, and then going somewhere. That is going somewhere. That's a trip. Mm. Now this time, Miss Ruby, you are going to learn about you are going to describe. You know what is describe? To share, to tell about the place where you've been. Like for example, the place you travel. This one, let's do the exercise one. Warm up pronunciation practice. Let's do practice first. Number one, letter A. What is this?
Here.
This is tie.
Tie.
Yes, a tie, like here for the boys. The one they put it on their neck. It's a tie.
Oh,
Or we call this one as neck tie.
I see. Oh,
Yes, it's a neck tie. That's a tie. Next, number two picture. What is this, Miss Ruby?
dry.
Yes, it's dye. Okay.
That.
Oh yeah, dye. It refers to colors. Colors, the one that you put on your hair or on the clothes.
Rainbow.
Oh yeah, color, rainbow. We have pink, purple, blue, yellow, red. That's a dye. Okay.
That.
Next word is, what is this?
Tom.
Hmm,
Tom.
ton. Okay, ton. Do you know what is ton? Like when you,
Yes.
very good. That's when you travel. How about this? Number two, second picture, letter B is
Done.
done. Like, oh, I graduated. It's done. Okay, that's finish. Okay, next. What's this?
Talk.
Okay, touch.
Talks.
Touch. This is actually what is this in this picture, Miss Ruby? Do you
I
know
don't
this
know.
picture? This
No.
is you can find this picture in some of the museum, in the museum where you can see sculptures, like sculptures.
Coasters.
Sculptures in Vietnam. Sculptures is, okay, let's find it here.
Hmm.
Vietnam. English to Vietnam. Sculpture. This one.
Oh.
Mm. Yes. It's, what's this?
Điêu khắc,
Điêu khắc.
Yukak. Yes. You can see the sculptures in the museum or some places in, are there many sculptures in Vietnam, Miss Ruby?
Yes. I see.
Where do you sometimes see the sculptures?
Ờ, gì ta? Viện bảo tàng à?
Is it in the
Chu,
museum?
chu, museum.
Mm.
Chu,
Yes.
trứng hả?
Chung ha. The Vietnam word.
Viện bảo tàng à? Museum.
This one.
nhà bảo tàng,
Ờ,
Ah,
bảo tàng,
museum.
uh,
Museum.
I see. A museum. Baotang. Okay. Yes, there are many sculptures in museum. Next, this one. What place is this?
Ducks.
Dutch. Yes, a place. A place in Dutch. Next, Miss Ruby is
Train.
train. Yes. How many times have you tried to ride in the train, Miss Ruby? Train.
À,
Not yet.
Tết. À,
Uh,
à, try it, not that to
So like
test. I
I never.
I come gì ta, quê hương town à? Gì?
Mm,
Hometown. I go to hometown.
when you
Hometown.
when you
I
travel to hometown,
I
you ride a train.
by train, by train.
Okay. When you travel to the hometown, you travel the hometown by train. This one. I I travel to my hometown
By train.
by
By
train.
train.
I see. Teacher Rose never tried train.
Oh.
Yes.
In Philippines, train popular. No.
Yeah, in the Philippines, train is popular, but you can only see train in some or in a very or some other place like in the big city of the Philippines.
The
Yeah,
city.
we have a city in the we have a small city in the Philippines. We also have the biggest city in the Philippines. So there are many trains in the big city of the Philippines, which is in Manila. The capital city of the Philippines is in Manila. So there are many trains there. But Teacher Rose is living far from the capital city. We are living in the province. I am living in my hometown today. So we don't have a train. And Teacher Rose never tried that.
Try car.
Again?
In Philippines, car popular.
Car?
People
Car?
car.
Yes. Yes, car is popular in the Philippines too. Mm. Like when we go somewhere, we will use, oh no, I mean, in the province today, when we go somewhere, we will use a bus.
A bus.
A bus. And then, when I go to the city, I will use ship. Ship. Like
Ship.
the big boat. We'll use ship, and then within the city, there are many taxi, cars, and motorcycles. That. Okay. How about you in your place, Miss Ruby? In your place, are there many cars?
Plane. Plane. I go. I travel my hometown s- by car. By plane. By train.
Okay.
Uh, s-
It could be train. You can travel train. You can also travel by plane.
mm,
See. If you
I
travel
I
plane,
stick car. Stick car.
what?
I stick car.
What is that? I
Stick car.
Can you write it here? This one here in the chat. Here. The chat.
Chat.
You can also write it in Vietnam and then Teacher Rose will translate it to English.
Car 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 sick à? Car sick. Car sick à?
Tricycle?
I don't like I don't like I don't like travel by car because I car sick. Car sick.
Ah, you got
I
sick.
uh,
Okay. You don't like to travel by car because
uh,
you got sick.
uh,
Oh,
yes.
yes. Like it feels dizzy,
Uh,
headache.
the headache.
It can cause headache if you use by car.
Mm.
Ah, that is why mostly if you travel to your hometown, you use train or plane.
Mm.
Okay, train or plane. I
Uh,
see. Okay. Is your hometown very far? Is it very far?
about mm,
How many hours do you travel?
uh, I uh, I travel with uh 30 30 by train.
Ah, 30
By train.
hours?
Mm,
Oh, like this one, I travel for 30. You mean that 30 hours?
by train.
By,
Uh,
oh,
uh about 2 hour by plane.
I
Mm.
see. And if, and if the train, okay,
Mm.
if train 2 hours.
Uh, about 24 by car.
24 hours if you use car. Oh,
Mm.
that's very, very far.
Very far.
I see. Yeah, that's very far. Okay. Now, thank you for sharing, Miss Ruby. Very good. Okay, so let's do it. Let's keep on trying to speak. That's correct. Next, letter B is
Train.
drain. Okay. This part in draining is in the sink in the
Wow.
washing area. Like it is the place where you wash your hands in the sink. And then this part here, it's to drain the water.
Uh,
Drain. This one.
mhm.
Drain. Drain in Vietnam. Drain.
Train. Oh.
This one. Drain the water in the sink. Vietnamese is
Mm.
mm, this one. Do you understand now, Miss Ruby?
I
Ah,
understand.
understand. Okay, thank you, Miss Ruby. Now,
I
this
got
time,
it. Uh,
you got
uh,
it.
uh,
Oh,
that's-
yes, that's one. I got it.
I got it.
Okay, so let's focus here. These are the words. And now, let's proceed to the exercise too. These are the transportations, the vehicles, the transportation that we use when we travel. First, Miss Ruby is
Bus.
Bus.
yes. Number two,
Train.
train.
Taxi.
Are there many taxi also in Vietnam?
Many.
Many. Oh, in the city. This one,
Plane. Plane.
plane. I tried to ride a plane um twice
Oh.
in my whole life. Yes. And and I love it. I love the plane. Do
Uh,
you like
uh,
traveling by plane, Miss Ruby?
yes, I like traveling by plane.
I see. Okay, this one, Miss Ruby, what is this?
Ferry.
Ferry. Do you know
Ferry.
ferry?
Oh,
Yeah, ferry is
I
a
don't.
boat. Boat.
Boat.
Ah, a
Boat.
boat that makes short. Regular journeys between places. Okay.
Mm.
It's just a small ship. A small ship.
Mm.
Okay. Are there many ferries also in Vietnam? Like you travel from this place to the other place and then you use the ferry or boat?
Both.
Ship.
I know, I know sheep, but I don't know
Ferry.
ferry.
Okay, ferry. This one. Ferry boat. Ferry
So,
is just like also the ship.
oh,
So we call this ferry boat or ship. This kind of this one. Mm. Okay, next Miss Ruby is car.
car,
Yes. You feel sick if you travel by car. Next Miss Ruby is
bicycle,
next
on foot.
on foot. Okay, bicycle. Do you know how to drive bicycle, Miss Ruby?
Yes,
Yes.
my
Which
my
is
children, my children like bicycle.
Oh, your children likes bicycle. Yes. Kids likes to drive bicycle
Mm.
everywhere. Mhm. Okay, this one, can you tell it to me which transportation is the most comfortable for you?
I don't know.
Most comfortable is
More comfortable.
comfortable
Um,
transportation.
uh,
Do you know comfortable?
uh,
I
yes, I don't know. I know.
Okay, I'm
Uh,
sorry.
uh,
All right. Okay, Miss Ruby,
uh, bicycle, bicycle,
bicycle. What else?
train,
Train.
train, uh, plane,
Hmm. Plane.
plane. I like ferry,
Yeah.
but uh, no, not yet. I I don't try. Just-
Oh, you never tried ferry. It's super nice. It's very nice.
When
I hope someday you
I
can try.
I I hope I hope I hope
I hope I can.
I hope try I hope
I can
try.
try. This one. I hope I can try.
I hope I can try.
The ferry.
Um,
Okay. What else, Miss Ruby? Only this one.
mm, taxi, taxi,
Taxi. Okay. Yes,
taxi.
taxi is also comfortable, but it also makes me feel headache.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, Miss Ruby. Okay, let's go back to our lesson. Um, you can say um, the transportation. You start this one. I think traveling. This one. You start with I think.
I think traveling by car is the most comfortable. I
Okay.
think traveling by plane
This one. You start
It's a word.
with this one, Miss Ruby, you'll say, I think traveling by car, by train, by plane. Okay. Go, Miss Ruby.
I think traveling by plane is the most comfortable. Uh, I I think traveling by train
This one.
the
You do it in just in one sentence. I think in one
tra
sentence, traveling by car, plane,
plane, train,
train,
taxi,
taxi, ferry,
ferry.
traveling by car, plane, train, taxi, ferry are the most
Are the most comfortable.
comfortable. Okay. Transportation.
Transportation.
Yes. All these are transportation. The transportation that we use to travel. Okay. Next, which is the cheapest? Which transportation is cheapest?
Bicycle.
Bicycle, yes. No fare. There's no fare in bicycle. You don't need,
Bus.
yeah, bus also. But the cheapest is bicycle. Okay. Which is the safest? Safe.
Safer.
Hmm.
Ferry.
Ferry is safe?
Ferry. Plane.
Plane is safe? Oh, I see. I think also, Miss Ruby, like, I don't know if what is safest, but because bus, there are many news that bus sometimes cause accident, taxi, there are many accidents, plane, like on the sky, we can say that it's not all the time, it's not safe. Also, ferry is in the ocean. Like if there's a typhoon, a very strong storm and rain, like it's not safe. Not safe. I think the safest, you know what is safe, Miss Ruby? Safe in Vietnam? Ah, okay. Safe in Vietnam is, oh, I see. That's why. Safest transportation. It's this one. What is the safest transportation, Miss Ruby?
Plane. Train.
Oh, choose one. Choose one. One only.
Train.
Train. Yes, train is safe.
Train.
Also, bicycle. And this one.
On foot.
On foot, like you just walk. Just walking. This one. Okay. Walking rather than using any form of transportation. Like you just walk using your legs. Walk. Walk only. Okay. Next, Miss Ruby is, oh. Okay. Where are we now? Describing travel. Today, Miss Ruby, you will use these words to describe your travel moment. Describe. Describe in Vietnam is, oh, Mota. Okay. Miss Ruby, I will end the Zoom and let's continue. Please join
Yes.
again. Okay. Thank you.